Welcome to Pop Talk. You're live here with Kiki. So we have a guest here today with us that we are going to have some interesting conversation with him that we are going to do. So I'm going to let him introduce himself to you guys so that we get straight to that conversation.
My name is Akom Dandeng Duat Akom.
Okay, you're welcome at Pop Talk. So Mr. Akom, what do you do for a living here in Juba?
I'm an engineer.
Naye tongmonja metrology engineering.
Okay, engineering. So let me say engineering and a lot of things. There is a carpenter, one appear to wood, and then kon ran wood. Yeah. Another thing also aning ran Louis Caraba, electrician. And then aning ran one a fainter. So fainter. Iran you would you boy towel would go and all those things tile.
So yeah challenges you can loy face one elon one loy chin loy menden tongin ye kako take loy face challenges.
You know nang kajwe one catch or let me say nang kajwe one and or hawk construction work. So there is a lot of thing. One choice support can barandu ba support ke when elon den ye loy so can barandu ba support like you my sister if you have a teneng in wood by pandun so kun kana kor bloy and then na chaga ma ko madaw kin ko madaw cha support and ko ba ko madaw ngi loy ti chitun kor in the so can I choice support kin cha support yeah.
So loni chin ye loy ke mene ka way engineers aya ping ya ko num ke ran kiroliu ran chin ke ni yene ti ku lo men loni chin.
Yeah.
So you can know they will well about getting.
Yeah, of course. So kiti yele balu well. Tenang ko yele lon rana woni chuchu te ran keral le let me le balain ku le yen. Ran chuchu de chiran keral le. So yen keran keral le then ko you know ke chol ran keral le tong jieng. Ran chin ki loy ran chin ku lui ro do ran chin ku lui ran de. Ran ke nei choi ran chi tuet. Ro tuet or chin ki le fi de, you know. But ran ning kloi ki e bay. Tar benom. Ran ke nei chiran chi tuet, you know. Achin tuet tau. Achin tuet ke ka ko chiru lew. Let me say wo ka ko chiru lew.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why
not? Of course.
So ko chi tuet ti ya ko rer ke chin ke loy ke.
Ko re pe nya ba chin klui ra rot. You know ke ka ko chi ke ka ko chi tuet ke ko ka ke tong manja.
Oh, in class.
I think you understand.
Yung le bayin le chaba bi ti le bang chin bang engineering.
You know ke le balle ko tong en my helmet. Ko ke use a winter bay. Ko to 18 and above. Let me say 18 and above because I can run ke ti ku ber ke yin. Chi use or yin ni le ko loy.
Okay.
Yeah, so ke le balle ke you know some of my helmet ko ju cha to ko senior folk ko ka Kela University. You know anen ke choice short courses.
Yeah, short courses.
So short courses ile ba electrician ile ba loy short courses ile ba carpenter ba carpenter ile ba loy short courses ile ba ba machinery when in a building kan ile ba loy ke short courses you know kin kira bet wet kin kira le you know ile wodi chwai ile wodi piet ile all those things ile karaba le re so ke yin achin ke be ben wan achin ke be affected wa do chi be the same thing in to do yade piu ko chi be ale piu kon ke katala didi ni ka ko ke de you know in to when rande to opposite chin ke wearing because your pocket is wet so nothing chin ke be bet ya mo pirito yen ke message le bale ko to ngen you know le bale ko le we na cha to ke senior 4 kilo short courses cannot be help or be coin so alabin when lebin road coin rador barande ba support so alabaloy so kanene ke klabale ko tongen you know ko jwe ko tongen man then some of them I crew you know but ken ay chol yen ke ranen tro jo sweet exactly rana when ti lui facial piri getting kola tak kate wona ruru suppose we are thinking ka future pide because if achira lui support can bala university do short courses so a be help be coin
ani wetalwel timenena chin raluin support chin emi tataka kako bike loy ani kai kako mit taloy kachira kaki so yong dang le balle ke about peer beke root beke karaye ke loy bike pol ku beke root kor ka pien beke ke piden chopen
yeah thank you ke je period and your naneng plants neng inom so kanen ko kwanyrot ke piri yen ke wele baleke so achi ko baya thinking touching kawen chen ko kuin ke yin piri so ko baya ta kanen ko bok kwanyrot for living so ke ka won ja ka le influence so nen ke short courses baklo vocational we have many vocational here in South Sudan so any vocational chila thing lo course yo we ka balew even a jaya
ali bu jol wele mele yini le bala for vocational and bakena lo first of all yile ba chelo rante win for all those courses aching no talk okay and daman da ngali bi yinta ran ke chen ke bata ba so yong da le bala ran ti wani ya dan chi ne ki ta din ke chin ta dange chin ta dange da din ke ke ti ke lo ye chin usukul ba ye lo ke chaba
anen ko jwe pel nen ko nya ko na lo nang ran lo ti le ko toy an ko ba ke che ke de ka ba lo ko ya we ke nan ngel el benen ko kunyen piri eda ya wen wulun ga wen waye ka wen molen so ku kera na wen nen ki ta nen nom ko nen pyo koin so ka bi koin bi ler vocational chan ba chot ka wana ga le ka nen ki che chot course chan ba chot course ba ka lo che damandi just 3 months 6 months so na chanen skill 6 months kanen ko kunyin piri chanen skill 6 months like me now so krulo I short courses now man anen let me say anen experience for good 5 years kaya loy so everything ben now changi chen kun be ya ben wan so create ben changi yikre kan ngi school cha ben ngi bi you see so alwa wel man now iben an warander nin master or ran diploma let me say because ke wen changi yatin so kana yan ko ja ke ka divide if I yoy a chilo or chira lui support by so kalbene ran tong re kwan du ni jana jamani yen ka bi understand ko bi lo so kole jana gora be ko hustling it's really good anyway being hustler in count le jam do che ji be ngong de
jam do che to ke che
yeah wait yeah
okay okay and thank you so much Mr. Akon so kile bukul today thank you guys so one thing I would love to say is that we are going to be with our platform everywhere. Any question you need to ask, because I know there's going to be a lot. You would love to poison us, and we are okay with that. Anything you ask, we shall be ready to answer you. Thank you so much. This is from us.